Installing your handheld showerhead. In addition to a user guide, the contents of your package includes the following components: your handheld showerhead, a wall mount bracket, a stainless steel hose, 2 rubber washers, and a screen washer located inside the bracket. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools: a small towel, an old toothbrush, and plumber's tape. Remove your old showerhead by turning it counterclockwise. Place a towel over the drain to catch anything that might fall. Clean the threads of the shower arm with an old toothbrush to remove any debris. Next, briefly turn on the water to flush out any buildup inside the pipe. Be sure to turn off the water completely before continuing. Next, wrap a few layers of plumber's tape around the shower arm threads clockwise to ensure a tight, leak-free seal. Make sure the screen washer is in place inside the bracket. Then, hand tighten the bracket onto the shower arm by rotating it clockwise. Insert a rubber washer into one end of the hose and connect that end to the bottom of the bracket. Again, be sure to hand tighten only. Next, place the remaining rubber washer into the other end of the hose and attach it to the handheld shower wand. Tighten by hand until snug. Place the handheld wand onto the mounting bracket and make sure everything is snug. Be careful to not over-tighten. As a final step, turn the water back on and check for any leaks. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your handheld showerhead. For more information on this product or other bath products, visit amconservation.com.